Finding the courage to change, discovering self-care. When I started my journey of self-improvement, I didn't know what I was doing. I just knew that I had always wanted to ride horses, so I took riding lessons. I was so physically weak. After a beginning lesson on a safe horse, my legs would be shaking with fatigue. One lesson a week was enough. I kept at it for years, getting stronger and stronger, riding more and more. As Winston Churchill once observed, there was something about the outside of a horse that was good for the inside of me. Eventually, I was riding my own horse in 25-mile endurance rides. My approach to my basic health care was another journey. Something I was eating was making me sick, but I didn't want to give up the foods that I loved. I continued to fight against the obvious until I became sick and tired of being sick and tired. Finally, I began the long process of giving up the foods that my doctor had told me were causing my illness. I needed to convince myself that I loved my good health more than I needed the emotional comfort of foods that I loved and enjoyed. That's really the trick. I had to discover how to love feeling good. I had to learn to value the feeling of energy, vitality, and wellness more than the short-term addictive serotonin hit provided by my problem foods. I also had to be patient as I developed the ability to make better choices. I had to learn to focus on my little successes and build on them. What I focus on expands, and that includes my self-care and good health.